I'm Dave Foord, and I'm going to show how it's possible to set up an email to blog facility so that you can post to your WordPress.com blog by simply sending an email. So here's the blog that I've been using as part of this series of demonstrations. And I'm going to go to the dashboard. So I click on my dashboard, and if I come down on the left hand side, I'm looking for something called Tools. And this is regularly changes, so it's worth keeping an eye on if you're using your blog a lot. But here we've got the post by email function. Now if you click on that link there where it says post to email, it will give you more information as to what to do and how it all works. Okay, so you can read that and it tells you what to do, but I'll just quickly show you as well. So I'm just going to close that window down. So we come back to here. So what I need to do is I need to go to my blogs page and create a secret address. So I click on my blogs, and this will list all of the blogs that I have under my WordPress account. Now I've only got one at the moment, but I could have multiple ones. And where it says post by email, I just need to enable that. Now what that does here is it generates an email address which is made up of random numbers and letters, which is unique to my blog. And the idea is that I know what that is, but other people don't, so that I can send an email to that address and it will post to my blog. So I'm just going to click on that link, and it's automatically created an email for me. Now what I would do if I was using this regularly is I'd obviously save that as a contact within my email list. So I'm going to post to blog, and I can send an image, for example, as an attachment. So I've written some text, I'm then going to attach, and I'm going to send an image of Ashby Castle. So where the subject, in fact, I'm going to change that to Ashby Castle. And something else that I can do is somewhere in the post I can add my tags. So all I have to do is type square bracket tags, and then I'm going to type in Ashby, Castle, English, heritage, and then I'm going to close the bracket. Now that won't actually appear as text, it will change that into tags. And it doesn't matter where you put it in the post, it should still work. So once I've done that, I click on my send button and it will send the email. So I've sent my email, I've then gone back to my blog and I've just refreshed the screen. So I've clicked on that button there, it's refreshed the screen, and there is my post. So you can see the text, there's my image appearing attached to my post, and it will have applied those tags that I'd associated with it. So very, very simple way of updating a blog. So once you've got it set up, all you need to be able to do is to email. So that's a technology and a behavior that most people are happy with and comfortable with. So they haven't got to worry about the blog interface, which some people are a little bit daunted by. Now, there's different ways of using this. Either an individual can use it to update a blog so that they know their email address and nobody else does, or you can use this as a way of working with learners in a group. So you can create a blog, you can tell all the learners what that email address is, and then any learner can post to this blog. So it can be a way of capturing information from a group of people. They can use it to all contribute to a piece of work. They go off and they find information and then they just email it in, and then you can view it as a collection. And obviously you'd have to monitor it to make sure there's no inappropriate use, but you can go in as the blog owner and change anything if it's a problem. It's very easy to change the email address so that you can use it for a short period of time, and then you can just change it to a different one so that with a different group you've got a different address. All you have to do is go down to your dashboard, and where it says my blogs, if you click on that, it will give you your list of blogs again, and you can just regenerate. So you can keep changing the email address associated, and then just save the new one. And that's how we send an email to a blog post.